Hello, welcome to this introductory video of Office 365 document storage. My name is Lee Wilkinson from Chameleon Support Limited. Today we're going to walk you through where your documents are stored, how you save them, how you create them, how you amend them. If we go into once we're logged in, if we go into the Sites folder, the Sites folder will contain a list of all your documents which have been transferred from Nastar. If we just quickly look at the National Development folder, you will see that the document folder structures has already been created. However, there are no files in there currently. For the purpose of this demo, we have set up a demo folder which I'm going to navigate to so we can show you how to upload and create files. As you can see, there are some test folders and files already set up. How do we upload files to the site? Very simply, we can simply highlight the folder or file on the desktop and drag this in. As you can see, there's a file already there. We can select to replace it, and that will simply upload the document. Another option to get files online is to select the upload button. We can then simply select any file on our desktop, on our computer, select open and press OK, and that will also upload the file. Useful information to note: files that have the green symbol are newly created files. The modified column will tell you when the last document was modified, and it will also tell you the person that it's actually been modified by. If you want to create a new document or edit an existing document, that's very simple. We simply click on the document, double click on the document to open. Now, as we've opened this document, we have two options now to how to edit this document. We can select Edit in Word, which is the offline version of Word that's installed on our computers, or we can edit in Word online. For this purpose, I will edit in Word online. The difference in Word Online is that as you type in the document, you will note down the bottom it is automatically saved as you are working within the document. So if your PC crashes, you lose internet connections, this information is saved automatically. Another thing to note is that when you rename your document, you don't select File Save As, you simply amend the details or type in the document name here. As so. Once you've finished in the document, you simply click back to the folder structure or close the website. As you can see, that's created and amended that document. We can go back into it, and there you have the changes. Okay, if you want to edit it in the full version of Word, click on Edit Word. That will open the document in the full version of Word on your PC. You can do the same. Type some text in. Once you click close, press save. This will then upload the document in your changes back to the online site. Just to show you that worked, if we go back into this document, here are the changes. Another way to create and upload files to the site or access the site is to simply open Word locally on your machine. We can create a new document. We can select File Save As, and you will see that you now have a option to select Sites Street League. Just maximize this. This will take you into the online document storage. So you can go into any of the folders. Obviously, we've set up the demo folder. We've got documents, and in here are our site structures. So we can save the document as normal, press save, and this will upload our document back to the site. So if we log back in, I've currently got the admin portal that manages the account, so that's the page we just saw there. We go back into the sites and we navigate to the demo folder. Chameleon test and the documents we've been uploading. So very simple to open a document, create a document, amend a document, whether that be in temporarily lost internet access. Try again. Whether that be in Word Online by selecting edit the document, or whether that be in Word, the full version on your PC. Another advantage of Word Online is that you can have two people in the same document. So as you've got a test account here, which is Carl's account, if another person wanted to edit this document at the same time, the other person would appear in this document here and they would have a different mouse icon. So potentially you can collaborate on the same document at the same time. Now, the OneDrive directory, so the SharePoint directory where your documents are stored, is also the same as your personal document storage. So I'm briefly going to go through the personal document storage that you have, which is virtually the same as your shared document storage. So if we go back to Office 365, you'll note you have a OneDrive site. The OneDrive account has 1 terabyte of storage per person, which is a significant amount of storage. So if we go into the OneDrive storage account, if I minimize this, as you can see, I've already uploaded some test documents. How do we upload, amend documents into this site? Well, it's the same process. We have an option to click new. We can create our own folders in this, our personal document storage site. But the difference with the personal document storage site is if I go into my documents on this PC and go into OneDrive for Business, you can see I have a replica of the data currently in my cloud storage on my local PC. Now, what happens on your local PC is you can create a document on your local machine, save that into your local document storage within OneDrive for Business, which would then automatically synchronize into your cloud account. So that's excellent for making sure your data gets backed up and stored online in case you lose your laptop or there's a fault with the machine. The other advantage of this is OneDrive has, you can download a OneDrive for Business app onto most smartphones, Android or iPhones, which will allow you to access your personal documents on your mobile phone. So any work you do, whether it be in the cloud via your OneDrive online account, whether it be you creating or amending documents in Word, we can go into this Word document that I've just created and we can type in a series of text. I can save that document. That's put it into my OneDrive for Business account. If I go over to my online account, you can see that it's already updated because it's telling me that it has here. If I open the file online, the same process as your sites folder. you can see it's already uploaded the content. Again, apologies for my internet connection today. We go back in, edit in Word Online. You can see that document has synced up online now. So as you can see, the online personal storage is the same as your site storage. However, you have the benefit of having this offline version here, which you can sync to. There are significant amounts of additional features you can, but in this video we're only going to cover the basic information today. There'll be some additional videos followed in further advanced use of the OneDrive personal account, but as you can see, it's very simple. You simply create documents in your OneDrive for Business folder on your PC. This will then synchronize to your online account, making sure it's available online. It's a backup of your information and your data, which could then be shared out with other people within your business. Okay, today that covers the short introduction video of Office 365. My name is Lee Wilkinson from Chameleon Support. Thank you very much.